Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover CSS border property. CSS border property allow us to specify the style, width, color of an HTML elements border. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save, File name border.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title border. In the HTML file head section, we are creating a style tag, and inside it, we have created a class selector, and we are using the class selector in the div element class attribute. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. To give border in the div, we are using 3 CSS properties in the class selector: border width, border style, and border color. On refreshing the page, we could see the border applying to the div. We could use single CSS property border for border width, border style, and border color with white space separated values. First value is for width, then style, and then color. On refreshing the page, we could see the style applying to the div. There are different border style. We are changing border style from solid to dotted, then from dotted to dash. Border style double look like this. We could use CSS property border radius for the radius of the corners. To apply border radius to a particular corner, we could use a single CSS property like border top right radius, border top left radius, border bottom right radius, border bottom left radius. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.